Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Dodge van. This is from the Q case. So apparently this is the last case in India for this year. And I'm hearing that already a case has been started to roll out in India, and some people in Mumbai and other circle they got a case as well. And some people in my region also bought it from some scalpers, it seems. So not sure when it will hit the stores where I know, but let's see. Okay, so let's talk about this casting now. So out of the box, this casting looks really nice, and especially this the transparent top. Okay, it has ATV inside, which is really nice. I don't know, yeah, it looks like an ATV. Honestly, that detailing is really awesome. I really wish Mattel did something like this on every casting. So because if you put something like this inside, that justifies the price, right? So okay, they painted the headlights, at least they did that, which is nice. Let's see the rear. Okay, the rear doesn't have any detailing like tail lights or anything, but it's okay. Okay, so the body is metal, the chassis is plastic, and so as you know, the windshield and everything is plastic. I personally love the interior, on this one. This looks really cool. This looks like a go-kart. Yeah, it is not an ATV, it's a go-kart. I'm really sorry about that. So the paint job looks good. So it does have some issues you can see here, but overall it's a good casting. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Oh, it rolls really well. So as you guys remember, from last time I started doing this roll test, I just put some lift here. Some of my friends, like from my group, like Tamil, and there are some more people, they asked me to keep a small lift so that it will go like that. Yeah, it even crossed at the end. This one rolls really nice. I don't see much of a wheel wobble on this casting, which is really awesome. Being it is not that heavy, but maybe slightly heavy, not too much, but it is really nice. It rolls really well. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as usual, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.